Atul, your professor for Chem 108, and I am going to show you how to make a test tube rack out of a cardboard. This cardboard is in your chemistry home lab kit. So me and Ima today will make this test tube rack. Okay, so this test tube rack actually have some solid lines and some dotted lines. So what we will do, the very first thing is we will cut this along all these solid lines. Okay, right? Ima, do you want to help me cutting this?
Okay.
You have to cut along all these solid lines. Okay, so this is how it looks like after cutting along the solid lines, and we have cut these holes as well for the test tubes holders, right? And the next step is we will fold along these dotted lines. Okay, so Ima, let's do this part now. Okay, so for best results, fold it and score it with a ruler. Good. You have to put a little force here. Okay. So we are done with folding along these dotted lines and scoring, and this is how it looks like. So in this one is the bottom part actually. Okay. So this is the bottom, and this one is the top part. And we will fold it in a 3D fashion. So this bottom part, we will fold it inside, will come like that, and this top will come here. And after that, we are going to tape. We will put one tape here on this side. We will put tape here to hold this first shelf and the second shelf of the rack, and the tapes here on the top sides and the bottom sides. Okay, so let's start putting tapes now, Ima. Ima, can you give me tapes, and I'll apply tapes. Okay, so we are now putting tapes. Okay. We're gonna put tape here. I'm gonna give you small pieces of tape. You're giving me quite long piece. We don't really need a long piece. Thank you. Okay, I'm making this middle shelf. Okay, so here we go. This is the finished test tube holder, and let's put some test tubes in it. I'm gonna go ahead and put some test tubes in this and see how it looks. Yay! So this test tube holder will be handy when you will be performing chemical reactions. Lab. Okay. So there you go. Right? Bye bye.